Among multiple crypto projects hosted in the crypto universe, Bonfire is one token focusing positively on long-term goals due to its features including stability and multifaceted use cases and transaction fees redistribution among the token holders. The major plus is undoubtedly its excellent community base. A significant catalyst or an update is expected to pump the token. Let's analyze. Welcome to yet another exciting video. Pals, today we will be looking into one major update on Bonfire, which will potentially shoot the token up. Before we begin, subscribe and turn on the post notification to stay updated on our upcoming content. The Bonfire community has been talking about an update that was expected to be implemented since the second week of July. In a nutshell, the entire Bonfire community has been eagerly waiting for the announcement on revealing the much anticipated Bonfire App. The project director of Bonfire said that it's high time that the community and the entire crypto world start considering Bonfire from a positive outlook. Although the current market trend indicates a bearish trend, it's not confined to Bonfire, but can be felt across the crypto universe. In his opinion, the best strategy to boost the token, and hence the market cap, organically is by starting an ambassador scheme. The director of Bonfire has been extending their hold to influencers from various niches, including crypto, music, social media platforms, and so on, to find and host the ideal candidate to present their brand and token. Even though no deals were signed, most of the conversations indicated an extreme optimism encompassing the token. The team plans on revealing some substantial updates regarding the token shortly once things are finalized for once and all. The significant share of the increase in scams and broad pools in the sector clearly points out the root cause of why investors have remained skeptical and hesitant about digital assets. According to the director of Bonfire, the pessimism surrounding the token will eventually get knocked off as people get to know the roadmap and goals of the token within a short time frame. The token does have a loyal and dedicated community that has remained optimistic about its growth and believe the token will earn and generate excellent returns on a long-term basis. The Bonfire team has been observing the movement of the entire crypto community and working on the challenges faced by the crypto community to launch the next wave of world-changing crypto projects. The combined years of skills from the team's side have helped them to recognize the fundamentals that the space desires. The fiat currency platform is building the first ever all-encompassing ecosystem of the apps. Through the app, the platform aims at helping out people in any phase from ideation to launch phase by granting access to the primary tools and strategic guidance through which they can successfully launch their projects. At the same time, the investors on Bonfire can have the nearest insight into newbie crypto projects and their updates, hence promoting and benefiting the currency either way. The final product before its launch is subjected to a strict velting project. The team has also incorporated several other parameters into the process, including completing a KYC for a minimum of one executive member and a core team member. The crypto project, which is planning to launch, should also have finished an internal and external audit each. It should also have a review of the white paper tokenomics, discerning any potential legal tussle. Once the project has passed through the requirements, they will have to attend an interview with the core Bonfire team members. Upon following all of these procedures, the team makes sure that all codes are made public. The Bonfire application can be effortlessly downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. With passing time, the network will experience further updates and affiliation, resulting in the network's development. On the positive side, the team will also develop an advertising revenue stream, which will potentially help in the token taking off for once and all. The platform has more of a long-term vision than a short-term, which implies that it would take some time for the correct implementation of their plans. An intriguing aspect of the crypto company is that it doesn't have a dev wallet or marketing wallet. The company, however, hosts a donation wallet in which the investors can involve their free will. Let's wait and watch the possibilities and upgrades the platform unleash over the years. we are moving to the price prediction. At the moment, the token is experiencing a bearish cycle. However, it is expected to move further with the disclosure of deals and implementation of updates in the coming days. While recording the video on September 7, the token is trading at $0.000004 and has exhibited an increase of 0.6% with the past 24 hours. The digital asset is expected to rise by 2 times within 1 year. The token is predicted to trade a $0.00000836 in 1 year on the upside, while on the low side, it is expected to hit $0.00000005 for $56. That's all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you found the video helpful, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your opinions on the Bonfire token in the comment section. Until next time, see you all